Next in CSS, we are going to create hyperlink buttons. So this is our basic HTML code, and here in head section we are giving style tag, and here in style tag we are writing a pseudo class for it is link, comma, a and visited. We are giving background color red, crimson, padding to it is 15 pixel. Text color should be we want it to be white. Then border we are giving 1 pixel. Solid red. Then border radius I'm giving it 25%. Text align to center. Font size here I'm taking 20 pixel. Then we are giving display. We will be taking inline block. And transition duration to be 0.9 second, and here we want that when we hover over that link, that time background color should get converted from crimson to aquamarine, and we want to give box shadow also. Here we are giving 5 pixel horizontally. Again we are giving 5 pixel vertical, and color of shadow should be red. And when the link is active, we want its background color to be orange. And here within body section we are creating hyperlink. A href equals to, within double quotes, first of all I am linking this to a Google page. So http://www.google.com, and target equals to with underscore, and from here I'm taking parent. Here I'm writing Google. One more hyperlink I'm creating. A href equals to, within double quotes, http://www.amazon.com, and here target equals to underscore, I'm giving blank. This is linking text. First we'll save it and see its effect in our browser. So it has created two buttons. First thing I want, that we can see that it is showing shadow and transition effect. That means how much time it will take to convert from one background, to change the color of one from one background to another background color. So here, first of all, I want that both of these buttons should come in different rows. That means Google button is here and Amazon button should come here. For that, I'm putting both of these in different divs. Div, and here div. Second, again start div, and closing of this div will be after this. Save it. Now we'll get to see that both the buttons have been shifted to different rows. But we want space in between these two buttons. So for that, we'll have to give margin. Margin top I'm giving to be 10 pixels. Save it and click on go live. You can see that it has got margin. Now we want to remove these underlines. So for that, we have to give text decoration to none. Decoration, we have to set it to none. Save it. Click on go live. So it has underline has been removed from Google and Amazon. When we click on these buttons, this button is going to open Google page for us, and this button is going to open Amazon site for us. So here we can see that here we have given transition duration. That means amount of time it takes to transit from one background color to another background color. That means initially color is red, it will take 0.9 seconds to convert background color to aquamarine. And box shadow 5 pixel, this is horizontal shadow, this is vertical shadow, and color of shadow is red. So this was our buttons as hyperlink.